Hello, my friends. This is Dr. B. 30 years in medicine. Dr. B loves you. Dr. B cares about you. Dr. B loves medicine more than anything else. And I am here to help you achieve a healthy retirement. I am here to help you age gracefully. I am here to help you to avoid cardiovascular diseases, cancers, neurodegenerative diseases, Alzheimer's, dementia of any types, and all these nasty neurodegenerative diseases. And believe it or not, my friends, it is not difficult. It is not difficult to be healthy. It doesn't cost any money. You don't have to spend money buying stuff online that they try to sell you to make millions and billions. Dr. B will never ever sell you anything, never ever ask you to buy a weed supplement or rejuvenation procedure or blah, blah, blah. BS. Only God never gets old. We all get old. And there is no way you cannot get old. But you can age gracefully. I'm 50 years old. My tummy is flat like a board. My blood pressure is that of a baby. My cholesterol is that of a baby. My hemoglobin A1C, the marker for diabetes, is that of a baby. Everything is healthy. All my blood draws, everything, super healthy. I sleep 9 hours a night. I have a low stress job. In medicine, I am happy. I love my patients. And I eat healthy. I eat small portions, just a few times per day. And I try to avoid stress. And most of all, I am always physically active, mentally active, and physically active. 2 hours a day. Now you don't have to do it 2 hours a day. Do it at least half an hour, 1 hour. But 2 hours a day I hit the gym, right? I do some aerobic, some weightlifting. I see my friends. It allows me to socialize, blah, 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 right? Socialization, having friends, family around you is very important. Right? It's a combination of everything that will make you age gracefully. And so today, guys, I want to talk to you about something so easy that I have done a few years ago. You know, I'm 50 years old now, and a few years ago I started to replace fruits with nuts, right? Nuts, cocoa powder, right, that I mix with water or fat-free milk, a little bit of fat-free milk. There's too much sugar in milk, so you have to avoid, right? Green tea, coffee, and tomato paste. There is nothing, no antioxidant, no mineral, no vitamin that are present in fruits and vegetables that you cannot find in nuts, tomato paste, coffee. Coffee is full. Try to avoid caffeine. I mean, I have a little bit of caffeine in the morning, but after that, avoid. Coffee is full of antioxidants, full of very, very, very healthy chemical compound. Green tea, tomato paste, no sugar, no salt added, right? No sugar, no salt in anything I eat, right? And nuts, walnuts, peanuts, pistachios, and almonds. These 4 nuts, I ordered them in big containers like this online, right? They are no salt added and no sugar. Pure healthy walnuts, almond, pistachios, and peanuts, right? Whenever I get hungry, I eat a little fistful of this with some decaf coffee and also with some green tea, right? And here and there during the day, I try to eat 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, no sugar added, no salt added, pure tomato paste, morning, afternoon, evening. And of course, I alternate with 1 ounce, 1 fluid ounce, right, of olive oil that I alternate with some walnut oil, right? There is no vitamin, and of course I take my vitamin D, right, as a supplement. I talked to you about vitamin D in another video. Take a look at it. Vitamin D, and of course some fish oil, but not too much. Because remember, in healthy people, fish oil can increase your risk of cardiac arrhythmia, a cardiac arrhythmia that we call AFib, atrial fibrillation. So I do not take the recommended dosage of fish oil. I just take 1,000 milligrams of fish oil capsule, right, per day. That's it. Because if you eat too much, like the recommended 3 per day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, that you increase your risk, if you are healthy, of having AFib. If you are already suffering from cardiovascular disease, then of course the fish oil is extremely beneficial, right? Beneficial. So, guys, after you reach a certain age, stay away from fruits and vegetables as much as you can. Replace them. It's difficult. People love to eat bananas and vegetables and, apple here, a banana there, and then an orange here, and there's a lot of fruits, tons of fruits everywhere. The problem with fruits is that they contain a lot of sugar, glucose and fructose. These are 2 nasty poisons that you find also in honey, in bread, right? You find a lot of glucose. Bread is just glucose, for God's sake, right? It's amylose that becomes glucose in your body. Same thing for rice, same thing for pasta, these are all full of sugar, for God's sake. It's okay, you want to eat a fruit here and there. Okay, after a certain age, it's okay to eat a few, just 1 or 2 maybe per day. Your body doesn't need so many vitamins and minerals as you think it does, right? Same thing for vegetables. If you want to eat fruits, make sure they are low glycemic index fruits, right? Just Google, you're going to have the list, it is a long list like that, of fruits that are low glycemic index fruits. They're not going to give you a huge spike, right, of blood sugar suddenly. And so this idea that once you reach a certain age, you need to eat as many fruits or vegetables per day as you used to when you were growing up, right? When you were in puberty and growing up and exercising, and you were 20, 30 years old, you were playing football, basketball every day, and go to the gym every day. Your metabolism has changed. I'm 50 years old, for God's sake. I don't need that many calories, that many vitamins and minerals and this and that and this and that. Obviously, make sure you take your calcium every day. Make sure you take your vitamin D every day. And try as much as you can to replace fruits and vegetables by nuts, the 4 that I gave you, tomato paste, pure 100% cocoa powder. The cocoa powder has to have obviously no sugar, and it has to be pure, not treated with alkali, not processed with alkali, because the processing with alkalis of cocoa powder destroys the very, very, very beneficial, powerful antioxidant that is called proanthocyanidins, right, that is present in cocoa powder. proanthocyanidins, one of the most powerful antioxidants in the universe, is present in cocoa powder. And of course, also have green tea, have coffee, black tea is also good. Try to avoid too much caffeine, guys. Once in the afternoon, in the evening, no more caffeine, guys. A little bit in the morning, that's okay. It gives you a punch, right? But then you are at higher risk of developing cardiac arrhythmias, AFib, as you get older. I mean, it's okay again in the morning. So be mindful of that. Try to replace fruits and vegetables with nuts, tomato paste, pure 100%, cocoa powder, not treated with alkali, and it has to be no sugar added, blah, blah, pure 100%. And of course, green tea and coffee. Green tea and coffee are so full of very healthy antioxidants for you. You don't need to eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables to get all the vitamins and minerals and antioxidants you need per day. Be mindful of that. Guys, I love you. I will never, ever, ever BS you. Just look at me. I'm 50 years old. It's a combination of everything. My tummy is flat like a board. My cholesterol is that of a baby. My fasting sugar is that of a baby. My hemoglobin A1C is that of a baby. My blood sugar is that of a baby. I sleep 9 hours a night, like a clockwork orange. 9 o'clock at night, I'm in bed. 6 o'clock in the morning, suddenly my brain wakes me up. I had enough sleep. And I'm healthy, ready to go to the clinic, take care of people, then come back in the afternoon, go to the gym, then come do my reports and everything, studying online about new discoveries in medicine and everything. It's an honor, guys, to talk to you. Thank you so much for your attention. I will always, always, always be there for you. I will always love you, regardless of your religion, your race, your ethnicity, your age, whoever the katso you are. It doesn't matter to me. I'm a doctor. I love you, whoever you are, whatever your age. If you have any question, put them down there in the comments. I promise you, I will get back to you. It might take times because I'm so busy with work and everything. But I will get back to you. Work takes a lot of my time during the day. But I love medicine. I love people. I love seeing people. That's why I will never ever retire from medicine. As I said in my previous video, I will keep doing medicine until I'm 100 years old, until I'm on my deathbed. Even then, I will keep learning medicine and doing medicine and helping people. I love you all. I hope to see you in the next video.